A sum of rupees 600 amounts to rupees 720 in 4 years at simple interest. What will it amount to if the rate of interest is increased by 2 percent points? Now, 600 amounts to 720. That means we can easily find out the simple interest by amount minus principal. So 720 minus 600, we get 120. Now we also have the formula for simple interest as PNR upon 100. So simple interest is 120, principal is 600, N is 4, R we have to find out upon 100. So zeros get cancelled out. 6 into 20 is 120, 4 into 5 is 20. So therefore R comes out as 5. Now we are told that the rate of interest is increased by 2 percentage points. So right now it is R is 5. The new rate of interest, the new R comes as 5 plus 2, that is 7. So now let's find out the new simple interest. Principal remains the same, that is 600. N remains the same, that is 4. R is 7 upon 100. So the zeros get cancelled out. Now we have 6 4s are 24 into 7. So that is simple interest is 168. Now the question asked is about amount. So amount is principal plus interest. Amount is principal is 600. Interest is 168. So the amount becomes 768. That is option B.